Good morning, American Medical family. This is Sergio, lead technician here at American Medical, going to demonstrate to you how to change columns on a Inogen G4. So they're a little bit different than the Inogen G3. These are actually a little bit simpler. What you'll need within the box is the instructional booklet and of course your columns. So in order to replace the columns on this particular machine, it's pretty straightforward. You would have to take it out of the bag, remove the battery from the bottom, and where the battery sat is a blue lever, has an arrow on it, and also a small lever on your old columns. So in order to remove these columns, you're going to depress the lever with the arrow on it, get a solid grip of the handle. You always want to be on a steady surface when doing this, and pull the columns out as shown. So in order to insert the other columns exactly as is, but putting them back in. So you remove the caps from the new columns and you insert as shown. There's only one way to put it in. You can't put it in backwards. Once you hear the blue lever click, the items are fully inserted. So the last step to do within this process is to reset the machine, essentially telling the machine you've inserted new columns. You will get your power supply. You want to have the machine completely off and just have your AC power supply. So while the machine is off, you're going to insert the power supply, and you are going to have to press and hold two buttons. Now mind you, you may need two hands for this. So you're going to press and hold the plus and the minus button until you see the words sieve reset on the top of the screen. This process can take 5 to 10 seconds. So once you see those words, sieve reset, you're going to press and release the bell button once. It's going to say success, and you're ready to use your machine.